Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercentre, and we're taking a look at the 2017 Ford F-150 in an XLT trim and powered by a 2.7-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing with some great fuel efficiency. Also coming with a soft-top tonneau cover on the back to keep your belongings covered and protected from the elements. But let's take a look inside. First, looking into the back seat, where you have seating for three comfortably. They can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo. And then in the middle you have two fold-out cup holders as well as a 12-volt power outlet. And looking into the front, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. Now sitting in the vehicle with it running, you can see it's sitting at 142,586 kilometers. And moving down to the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your hands-free phone and radio controls. And on the left you have your cruise controls as well as your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through a digital speedometer, trip mileage, trip timer, distance to empty, your average fuel economy. Then you can go into your trip to or your fuel economy separately, driver assistance settings, and then settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. But then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, CD, and Bluetooth capable, so you have some options there for whatever you want to listen to. Then above that you have your traction control shut off, your hazards, and your auto start stop shut off. And moving down you have your media controls and then your climate controls here, very simple, easy to use. To the left of that you have your 4x4 controls with a locking rear differential. You also have an aftermarket trailer brake controller. And then on the right you have a 12-volt power outlet. Moving down, you have another 12 volt with a USB and a little compartment here where you can put your stuff. Looking at your column shifter, which does have select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears, as well as your tow haul and sport mode button at the end of the stock. Moving on to your center console, where you have two cup holders, as well as your center compartment / armrest, which is pretty spacious inside. But then this does lift up and out of the way to become your 5th passenger seat and 6th seat overall, so plenty of seating in this truck. Then you even have another compartment underneath that for even more storage, with some flip-out cup holders and a ton of room in there, so you can have some drinks while this seat is folded up, or 4 in total if you're feeling wild. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.